I have never replaced one of those roofs in Oklahoma for hail damage. I replaced the first one I have ever replaced last year or early this year. It was damaged by tornado debris impact. It was literally scoured by someone else's house blown apart, blowing across the roof and destroying the roof. But that is the only SBS modified Flex Technology roof that I have ever replaced. Now, in the year since 2018, the old scrim technology has now been discontinued by the manufacturer. Therefore, some of those roofs get minor damage and ultimately end up getting replaced because they're discontinued shingles, not because they're damaged in such a way that they must be replaced. They simply are not repairable because you don't have products to repair them with. So that's kind of how that works. The truth of the matter is that we have roofs that have been through hail in excess of 5 inches in Oklahoma, and that hail did not touch this technology. Okay. So when I tell people that I'm installing a systems roof, I'm installing a roof with SBS Flex technology. I honestly believe that roof is going to be here short of a high EF2 or above tornado wind event. That roof is going to be here for 25, 30, 40 years. And assuming that roof is installed correctly with proper ventilation, which all of my roofs are, it is going to perform to a level that everyone is getting benefit and value from. And the insurance company's loss ratios are going to reflect the performance of these enhanced systems and these enhanced shingle technologies.
It's still fascinating to me that these roofs are able to handle that high of hail